Hey guys, okay, yeah, got it washed off. I'm gonna just kind of do a weird thing. I don't know how to do this real good, but I'm gonna film this, cut it, show you what I've been doing, cut it, show you what I've been doing, cut it. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Alright, later. Alright, right off the get-go. Yeah, I noticed in that last video I put, that back wheel was moving, but, and that was Loctited. So, yeah, I got to redo it again. I'm going to check it all anyway, so. But yeah, holy cow. Yeah, I got a big old root in here too. Anyway, yeah, you got to watch that, man. All this stuff was Loctited. It still come loose anyway, but it'll last longer if you Loctite it. But yeah, I watched that video. I'm like, hey, that back wheel looks like it's kind of loose. Yeah, well, it was tight, but yeah, here it is. Bam! Alright, guys, next, moving on. Okay, now you know it's getting kind of serious because, yeah, I'm going to dig into this. This side's actually a little bit loose too, so I'm going to redo that one anyway. So I was going to redo them anyway because I got to pull all this stuff off. I'll let you see what I got in a minute. Alright. Okay, we got a little bit of water in there, to be expected, but it's not gritty or nothing, so that's a good sign. Once I get the rest of the stuff apart, then I'll just wipe everything off, clean it up, check it out. Everything seems, there's no grit in there at all. Good thing. Kind of amazing, actually. Alright, guys, be back. Okay. Yeah, this is the part that you know, you try stupid things, win stupid prizes. Yeah. This is okay, but yeah, it sheared that pin out. That bearing's wasted. This bearing's shot. Gear's still good. Yeah, and this thing is just all chewed to shit. Luckily, I already have, I haven't had some new ones. Got lucky. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, got that out. This guy was, well, the bearings are shot, so, oh, big surprise. Yeah, that's why I got a bunch of them, somewhere. But yeah, it's tough, but this is the kind of shit you gotta do to keep it tough. I do this a lot, so it's not a big deal. I just never put it on film or video or whatever the hell. But yeah, this is your bearings just get mangled and destroyed. Not a biggie, but I always keep the spares around because I know I'm gonna do this kind of shit. So, yeah, always check your electronics first, because if that's fried, that's the main number one you got to figure out. But mine's okay. But, yeah, just a footnote. Or whatever. Okay, on to the next. Okay, guys, third member ended up pretty good. Well, the bearings look brand new and everything. Feel good. Nice, smooth. Just got to clean this stuff up, clean this out. Get that all cleaned out. Cleaned out inside the diff here. Pretty good. A little bit more. But, yeah, I just need just a few bearings, actually. No big deal. Yeah, I do a lot of mudding and a lot of muddy water. A lot of water. Drown it. Treat it like a submarine. Yeah, I just leave out the parts of having to do this. Because, you know, it kind of cuts into the fun. I mean, it is kind of fun. I just happen to have spare parts on hand, so it makes it a little more fun that way. Otherwise, you'd be like, damn, now I got to order parts. But, nah, not too bad. I still got to do the front. Yeah, but, piece of cake. Yeah. Oh, I know, I suck at doing these kind of videos, but I probably showed you how, I should have shown you how to take these out. On these things, man, there's like there's 3 little screws that go in on these guys, and they fit somehow here. They slide on there, and then the 3 screws in here. They're little itty bitty guys. You got to Loctite them. These were Loctited, they still came loose. That tells you something right there. So, but yeah, need some bearings. All these bearings are shot. That's fine though. Piece of cake. Yeah. I'm just gonna kind of button this up and attack the front. But yeah, I'm thinking about maybe run a little silicone around there. Kind of waterproof it a little better. Anyway, I'll get out of your hair. This video is already way too long. Alright, for the next one. Alright, well, it's actually done now. I'm not a real good teacher on this stuff. I get focused, and then I get a call, and then I get distraction after distraction, so then pretty soon I just leave the phone off and just finish it. Yeah, it was pretty bad. I had about 4 bad bearings, 2 really, really bad ones. The actual third member in here, it actually worked out pretty good. It's clean as hell. I cleaned it up, and there was nothing even got to it. But yeah, it's done now. Still got to tackle the front. But yeah, generally that's what it takes to get a truck that's just tough as shit. All you guys is just see the video after video after video, getting it swamped and thrashed and muddy and drowned in water and completely submerged. And man, is that thing going? But I mean, anybody that does this pretty much knows this is what you got to do. It's a constant. It's just like having an actual old Chevy truck. Great trucks, but they demand attention, and you just got to do it. You either like it or just don't. Yeah, I do a lot of water stuff because I already know what that entails later. I do this quite often, but yeah, I'm thinking I have it down pat, but yeah, every now and again I just trip up. But put this guy together and then forget the outer bearing. I'm like, why is that wobbling? Look down, there's the bearing. Shit, forgot to put it in. Okay, I'll let you guys go now. I'm sure this video is like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes now. Anyway, yeah, been a good time. I'm going to tackle the front. I still got to dig into the transmission, but maybe tomorrow. Alright, guys.